All right, so look, let me be real with y'all for a second. Yo, getting a high-paying job wasn't easy for me. Matter of fact, it's one of the hardest things I ever did in my life. Not because I wasn't smart, not because I wasn't talented, not because I wasn't willing to work hard, because I was stuck in a cycle. Like, I was broke, like I was lost. Like, I ain't have no idea how I was gonna get out of it. But dog, everything changed when I found one online course. And I'm gonna tell y'all exactly how I did it, how it changed my life, and how it can change yours too, if you are ready to get it done. So, let's go.
Don't play me, pay me. Cut the tech.
So look, the end of 2022, I was doing everything I possibly could to survive. Like, I was working two full-time 40-hour-a-week jobs, and I was doing DoorDash on the side, just so I could pay my bills, bro. 90 hours a week. Bro, I was exhausted, like not just physically, not just mentally, like emotionally, spiritually. I went through every day with this feeling inside of my chest, like, what is this? Is this real? Now look, I'm a big dreamer. Like, I thrive off setting big goals and achieving them, but during the pandemic, like, it killed a few of the dreams I had going on. And it forced me to go into survival mode. And to be real, like, reality just kept punching me in the face. Life had been beating me up for a couple of years. And now, when I was on defense, and I wasn't even playing offense. Like, every job I took, like, I kept telling myself, this is temporary, but then temporary turned into me being there and being stuck wondering what's next. Like, though there was no plan, and like the motto for each day was, yo, just survive and pray that something miraculously changes and God does something. Yo, I remember one night sitting in my car after delivering a DoorDash order. I was broke, I was exhausted, I'd been up 48 hours straight, and yo, I was angry. And I had a full-on meltdown in the car, like screaming at the top of my lungs. And I felt like God didn't care if I made it or not. And honestly, at that point, I didn't either. I was in a real bad place. But deep down, like, I knew I was made for more. Like, I knew I had more potential than where I presently was. I just didn't know how to get there. I wasn't trying to go back to college. Like, I didn't have 4 years to wait to start making money, right? I needed it now. Besides, I was broke. Like, I couldn't afford to pay for school even if I wanted to. So I was praying for God to send me some sort of alternative. That's when I came across a course called CourseCareers. Now, at first, I was skeptical. I mean, I'm like, yo, another online course? Okay. Like, it felt like a scam, if I'm being honest. But I was also excited about what I saw and the possibilities. So what I did was I decided to check it out because they had a free intro course. So I was like, yo, why not? Right? So after watching videos and hearing testimonies of people that were being successful, like, my excitement started to grow, but my skepticism started to grow also, but in a different way. Like, I wasn't no longer skeptical about the course itself. Like, I believed that worked. Now I was skeptical of allowing myself to get excited again. Why? Because the last time I went all in on something, and it started to go well, the pandemic took it away. So internally, I was hesitant to allow myself to even feel hope again. But as I was sitting there and I was reflecting on how much I hated my current situation, I decided, hey man, let's go for it. And yo, the course material hit me different. It wasn't just about information, it was about transformation. What it did, it showed me I can make a career pivot in software sales without a degree or without experience, just by learning the right skills. More importantly, like, it gave me a real shot. So I put all my chips in. I studied every moment I had. I wasn't on social media, no music, no YouTube, unless I was studying, right? Like, I studied, I learned the ins and outs of the tech sales profession. I followed the process step by step by step. And within a couple of weeks, not years, I earned my certificate and I was doing interviews with tech companies. And a few months into that, I landed a remote tech sales job that was paying me what I was used to making working the 3 jobs combined. One job replaced 3. Think about that. I'm like, yo, what? Like, the same dude that was working 90 hours a week just a few months ago was now getting paid to sit at a desk from home, use his brain, and have a real career. And that's when I realized that my previous problem wasn't that I was stupid or lazy or that I lacked ability. Like, I just hadn't found the right opportunity yet. And so after I made it out, like, I couldn't just walk away. I kept thinking about all the other people that were still stuck in the same cycle I was in. Like, people who were smart, people who were driven, people who were capable, but they just didn't have the right information or the access. And wouldn't you know it, like, after I landed my position, I was blessed with the opportunity to become a coach for CourseCareers also. I mean, I jumped on that so fast because I love to help people. So now I get to help people just like me. People who are tired of surviving, people who are ready to thrive, people who are done settling with life and ready to level up. So look, I've helped people break into the tech industry from all walks of life. Like no degree, no experience, just real hunger and the right course. So this ain't just a job for me. Like this is my purpose. Like it's ministry for me. Because I know what it feels like to be in that pit. Like I know what it feels like to walk around with that cloud over you. Like what that does to your spirit, bro. Like, and now I get to help people climb out of that pit one step at a time. So if you're where I was, here's what I want you to do. Hit the link in the description. Check out CourseCareers. They got a ton of career options. It's not just tech, business development, IT, digital marketing, construction, like you name it. And the best part, they got a free intro course. So you can test it out without any financial obligation. So no excuses, just take the first step. Now, if you got questions, drop them in the comments. I read every single one of them. And while you're down there, do me a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel. And if you know someone that could benefit from this video, share it with them. This community is about building each other up. We're here to help you make a career pivot and walk away from the life that's been holding you back. So look, I've said it before and I'll say it again. The problem isn't you. It's the information you've been given or not given. But now, you know, so you don't gotta settle. You don't gotta go into debt. You don't have to waste years hoping someone gives you a chance. Like you can take it right now. And I'm here to cheer you on along the way till you're able to walk into the industry that you choose and tell them our motto, which is this: don't play me, pay me, cut the tech. Coach Dre, look forward to seeing you.
Don't play me, pay me. Cut the tech.